Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. Check, sound check, 1, 2. All right, we're late. I know we're late. It's all right. We're here. We're here. Good morning, everybody. R5 Studios, good morning. Black Coffee Trader in the house. Trading Moment, Lawrence Harris, RX, Micro Player, Niles, Peter Schapp, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Man, what a absolute monster move here at the open. Ripping it higher. Ay, 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 ay. I wish I was long. Got the long signal right here at the 945s, and I didn't take it. I wish I did. I wish. But we didn't. We took I'm not even sure where. I took one trade in the overnight. Hey, bud. All right, we're back. You're going to have to excuse the noise this morning. The noise is going to be pretty bad. They're working on the stairs right now, and it's pretty loud. So hopefully it's not too loud, but yeah, it is pretty loud. Good morning, Bruce Lee, FTH, Frank Mortimer. Good morning, Dan Taloy, Dan. Movie Spot, JY, Gizmarie. Peter, good morning. Traitorous Chick, good morning. Benson, good morning. Nathan Ramirez, Trader, Ronnie Money. Niles, good morning. TB, good morning. How we doing, fellas? All right, I'm gonna. Oof, this thing is just going straight up here this morning. Wow, impressive! It's impressive. I don't even. I mean, we gotta wait for a pullback here at the least. At the very least. Good morning, Peter Schapp, Shredder, Dove Gordon. Good morning. We just filled the regular opening range gap from July 7th. Oh, on this one. But yeah, we do have the 3100s. 23 100s are the highs. So let's see. Right now it is looking very, very bullish. I mean, we gotta wait. We gotta wait here. Gotta wait on a pullback. And this is gonna be difficult. We all know once we have an extended move like this, a lot of times we'll see an overextended pullback. Hey, let's go, Black Coffee. Jim, how many MFF accounts can I have? 3 or 5? I mean, they talked about switching it to 5, but I don't think it's official yet. That's actually one thing that is a little bit of a pet peeve of mine, is prop firms making these teaser announcements like, hey, we're going to go to 5 accounts, or we're going to go to XYZ. Why tease? Just do it. If you're going to do it, just do it. What's the point of the tease? I don't get it. Same with Top Step. They were mentioning like they're going to do 1 day to pass, but they never did. Or at least I don't think so. Like, dude, if you're gonna do something, just do it. All right, we have up here the 23,050s. I mean, can we get a pullback? And now it'll run sideways. I wouldn't be shocked. I would not be shocked. Hang on 1 second. All right, we're back. Oh man, now we're all the way back. We're all the way up to the 70s. Oh, come on, man. I was distracted this morning. We had we've got the carpet installers here, and I was talking to them about some stuff this morning around. Yeah, I think I missed this right here. I don't know that I would have taken it, but man, what a nice move it would have been. But this is just going straight up. 23,080s now. And oh man, this is crazy. Oh, oh, that's cool. That's wild. If you didn't catch this move, I mean, I don't even know how you just jump in here and hold on. I know I'm not going to short it. Hey, good morning, John. Orlando, good morning. Yep, we're only 20 points away from all-time highs. Garrett, good morning. Old school. Daniel Rosenstein, good morning. Oh, what a rip. By the way, I figured a way out to show my Lucid accounts. I don't know why. I have one old Lucid account that it's my first one. I don't know why it still shows there, but I can't get it to come off. But Lucid is now 8 days to pay out. That they made that change last night. Oh. I mean, are we really just going to go straight up and take out the all-time highs with no pullback at all? That's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Obvious trader, good morning. TB, just jump in long. I know, right? It's the only way you're going to get in on this move is if you just jump in long. It's the only way. But you know what'll happen if I do that? We all know. We all know if I just jump in long here, we all know what's going to happen. So we're not going to do it. See, David Mendez, he knows. Go long so we can have a pullback. Exactly. It's tempting. It is tempting. I'm not going to lie. Ay, 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 ay. How much? Hey, how it's going? It's going all right. Had a decent overnight session. Um, I took a loss. Actually, I had a small win, and then I had two losses in a row on these Apex accounts. That's why we're red. I just traded at the wrong time, right here in this choppiness. My lucid accounts, I caught this move higher right here. Basically, caught this move right here. It was like 4:30 this morning. A move bounced right off the VWAP in a nice. It was very nice. It was very easy. It's the best ever. How do I get any sleep? Honestly, I slept great. I woke up at 4 o'clock. I usually wake up at 4 o'clock for the London Open. I wake up for the London Open, and then I took that trade. It took literally 10 minutes. Hit my profit target. I traded 2 minis, and then I went back to bed and slept I slept until 7 o'clock this morning. Oh, market. What is going on here? We are literally going to take out the highs before we see a pullback. That is insanity. Unbelievable. That makes me sad. Uh I see you seem to do very well on MNQ. Wait. Well, I mean, I traded 2 minis on my Lucid accounts. I traded 4 micros on my PA accounts, these PA accounts. One thing I got to start not doing in the overnight session that I've done it a couple times. Like here, we didn't really have a good direction. Like we were basically just going sideways going back and forth across the VWAP. And that when we do that, like that's not the overnight price action that I like. So I I I think I got stopped out short because I know I had this short. I went short somewhere. It almost hit my profit target and then I got stopped out. So a little bit of a frustration, a little bit frustrating on my Apex accounts, but one thing with the overnight session, once it does start to put in a nice trend, I feel like we get a continuation on the trend way more than we do in the regular traded hours. So, but if we're going sideways, I need to stay out of it because when it goes sideways, it goes sideways. All right, are we going to get a pullback? Oh, is it going to do it? I mean, let's see a pullback here. Come on. I'm not even sure how big of a pullback I need to see before. This is where it's so difficult to know. Really, you're not going to give it's still not going to do a pullback? Really? Come on. Can we get a pullback? You know people are shorting this. What do I think and how do I feel? I feel fine. I feel great. What do I think? I think we gotta get a pullback here. I gotta be patient and wait for a pullback. We're getting close to 10 o'clock. What time is we have news coming out at 2 o'clock, right? Yeah, 2 o'clock is FOMC meeting minutes. So look at this go. Unbelievable. Is this really just gonna keep going? I don't know, man. I am not gonna do it. I'm not jumping in here. But that's wild. I don't know what we do here. Hey, JY, how we doing? G Serop, believe me, wait for ES 6325. I'm not looking to short, first and foremost. I am not. We are not going to short this, okay? We are not going to do that. Elon and Trump must be having a cuddle session. John. Talk about a bad breakup. Man, that didn't last long. Absolutely shameless, Design Knob. That's true. All right. Give me a. I mean, I'm gonna do something that I usually don't do here. Are we? That's not what I wanted. Let's put on some fib levels here, just for fun. So the first is, man, that's crazy. Look at how much that lines up with the EMAs right now. That's what? Is that a coincidence? Or does it always do that? You guys see that? The fib levels, if I put it on, it literally lines up perfectly with the 9 EMA, 14 EMA, 21 EMA, and the 50 EMA. What? Crazy. Hey, Kid Poker. Hey, Kid Poker. It's good to see you, man. I've been wondering where you've been. Good to see you, Kid Poker. How's it been going? Please tell me, please tell me that you're not fighting these uptrends. I think I thought about you the other day when we just kept going higher. Oh no. Tell me no. I hope you're doing well, Kid Poker. It's great to see you. All right, we are finally seeing a red candle. Breaking news. Call the press. Call CNN. The NASDAQ might print a red candle. Everybody buy. Buy, 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 buy. Buy. That reminds me of the movie. What is that movie? It go mine. It's a kid. It's a children's movie. Finding Nemo. Yeah, Finding Nemo. When the seagulls are trying to get the fish. Mine. We chew that all the time. Mine. So stupid. Give me pullback, market. Me want pullback. Holy. What is it? Why you do this, market? Why? Why you be like this? Ugh. I'm done trading my Lucid accounts. I was doing some math earlier. So now that they have 8 days to pay out, I need to do some math here. Oh my stars. Look at it. We're getting through. We're testing the. That is all the pullback we got. You have got to be joking me. Seriously. Good morning, Alpine. Market only goes up. That's right. It's insane. Oh, I don't mind it if I'm in the trade, but when I'm not in, it's very frustrating. Very, very frustrating. Why do it do like this? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Straight up. No pullback for you. No pullback for you. Yeah, I need to do some math here. Math. Math is important, folks. So we've got 2 trading days and we only need 8. So we need 6 more trading days. And we're at 1,500 in profit. Which means we need 3,000 more. We need 3,000 more in 6 days. So we need to average $500 a day, which we already have 700 on the day. So we're done. We are going to lock it out for my Lucid accounts. Oh, that'd be sweet if we could get another payout from Lucid. Maybe Lucid can carry me. Lucid Trading is going to have to carry me through the month of July the way it's going. But man, what are we doing, chat? Hey, we right now it seems like the only prop firm that I can trade right now is Lucid. So weird. I don't know. It's so weird how it happens, but I was like it reminds me of my Tradeify accounts where I got 6 payouts. Like it just seems so easy. It was very seldom it just seemed easy. But then other accounts, I cannot get a winning trade to save my life. It's so weird how that happens. I don't know if you guys experience the same thing, but I don't know. I can't really explain it other than it's just, I don't know. One thing I will say, usually I trade my Lucid accounts the first in the overnight session. I'll trade those first. I didn't do it last night though, because we were kind of going sideways. So I don't know. I don't know what the deal is, but oh god, man. What do we do here, chat? What are we doing? No payout for you. Is this after the fact trading? This is history in the making. NQ all-time high at the moment. Yep. Just wait 5 minutes and we'll get a new history in the making. Just wait 5 minutes and we'll get another all-time high. Do you see those little red candles? Those were my long trades and they hit my stop loss. No way, Zero Cool. No way. That's unfortunate. That is one thing that today is one of those days where we have to be careful. Because days like this is where I get triggered. Like I get triggered on days like this. I'm going to delete this. Because if I wait and wait until we finally get a pullback and then I enter on the pullback, but then it does a V-shaped reversal lower, that is like the first step to putting me on a tilt session. So we got to be careful, make sure that we accept our losses, and there's just no need to do anything stupid. Just got to stay with the plan. But we do have to pull back. At the very least, we got to pull back to the 23, like to the opening range high. That's like minimum. Today's different. Market is not in a range. Yeah, I agree that today is definitely different, but I just hate buying on these. I mean, I gotta get a pullback. Look at this. Unbelievable. I mean, I'm getting close to just pulling the trigger here on longs. This is insanity. Oh. This is crazy. Is anybody shorting this? Raise your hand. Raise your hand in the chat if you're shorting this. I want to see what it looks like to have, what it looks like to be very, very brave. JY says, cremator, short scalps, raising of hands. I love it. I love it. You guys are insane. That actually would, if I think about shorting this, I start to hyperventilate. It's so scary. But I know it can work. I'm not saying it can't. It definitely can work. It's just it scares me. You took 2 shorts earlier. You guys are insane. You accidentally clicked sell market and you made $25. I tried and I almost had a toilet emergency. I mean, if you short right here, I feel like right now would be that if I was to short, this is probably where I could convince myself to short. But I'm not going to. Can we get a pullback? Come on. Please. Please do it. Thinking of getting shorts, same feeling as getting wheeled into your colonoscopy. You know, I'm 41 years old and I have yet to ever have a colonoscopy. That is one of my life goals, is to never have a colonoscopy. If I do have ever a colonoscopy, I'm going to tell them to put me to sleep. I'm sorry, but that's just how it's going to be. Oh, just put me out. I'm from 1983, just like you. That's right, David Mendez. 1983, the best time, the best year to be born. You know, I'm not even kidding. If you were born in from 1980 to like 1985, like even 1975 to 85, it's actually a very unique time to be born because you will likely still remember, like, you will remember um the time before cell phones. And to think that there was a time when cell phones weren't a thing, it seems like something so wild. And I don't know, it like thinking back to when there were no cell phones, it's crazy. Like it was really like that probably changed the world, or like our just kind of how our life is done and how we go through life. Cell phones changed it probably more than, I mean, cars obviously changed it, but cell phones really changed it as well. And that it's just a different time. And to be able to live through and have memories of before cell phones and also now experience with cell phones, it's pretty unique. It's pretty unique. Oh man, I don't know. I don't know, guys. We're getting dangerously close to this. I'm getting I we're getting dangerously close to me pulling along here. We used to drive new places. See, okay. See, here's why my memories of no cell phones is even possibly more unique because I grew up Amish, right? So we didn't have cell phones. I mean, we wouldn't have had cell phones anyway. But once you turn 16 years old in the Amish culture, then you enter the stage of Rumspringa. If I mean, I'm sure some of you guys have heard this, but basically you kind of, you kind of experience the world, so to speak. And yeah, it was right at that time when cell phones first started to be more just kind of a normalized thing. And it's so weird because I remember when we used to go do things at, like, we would try to find stuff to do, um, you know, we would be like, there would be no way to really communicate. So we would have like these hubs within our community where all the youth would gather, like this. We'd have a hub for this community and then a hub for this community. And Saturday nights, they would all gather at this one hub. Wherever you were closest to is where you would gather. And then you would just kind of decide what you're going to do that night from that point. But then when cell phones became a thing, everyone just called each other and the hub stuff just kind of fell away. And it was all it was so weird. It was weird and kind of okay. Like there's parts of it that I miss those days. Like I miss the times before cell phones, but I also wouldn't want to do without. It would be super annoying. But there, I mean, there, like anything, there's good and bad that go with it. But I don't know. It's interesting to think back, and it like I remember when my first phone was a flip phone, and as you guys know, that little flip phone is where the LOL story originated from. My first ever little flip phone, and see that's also why it's important to see the LOL thing. You guys think that's funny, but I mean, in my defense, the acronyms and the all that talk was not a thing at that point. It was very new. So I I mean, I wish I would have kept that phone. I wish I would have kept it. Actually, I don't think I have it. No, I used to have it for a while, but then I don't know that I still have it. Man, I wish I did. It was one of those Verizon flip phones with a green it had, like, that green little screen. Oh, man, I thought it was it, folks. The former days better than these, for it is not wisdom that you ask this. Why were the former days better than these? I think there's good and bad. I think it's good to memorize or, like, it it's just weird how, like, it's a totally different world. Hang on. Ah, let's go. My wife was listening, and here it is. I do still have my phone. Look at that. Oh, this is so cool. Look, that is my first cell phone. Do you guys remember that? Look at it. Oh, I still remember. Oh, the memories. I wonder if I could still turn it on. Probably not. The battery is still in it. Oh, this is wild. That is so cool. What charger does it take? Wouldn't that be insane if I could power it on and I could actually I don't think I have a charger like that. It has a charger like oh yeah, that was it. Hello? Oh, that phone. You guys probably remember this phone. That it's the Verizon flip phone. Oh, I'm so glad we still have that. Good times, good times. My first cell phone was 2 cans and a string. Oh, I remember design knob. Oh, yes. Remember the Motorola Razr phone? Oh, yeah, that was like it. If you had the Razr phone, oh man, you were up there. Oh, paid ringtones. Yep. Oh yeah, I remember that. Oh, it's crazy. Oh, it's good memories, man. Good memories. I remember my dad. So, my parents were Amish and I mean, I was Amish at the time, but when I got my first cell phone, I mean, they thought the world was gonna end. Oh man, poor guys. I wonder if I can find can you still buy a charger? I'm gonna search. I'm actually gonna Google this. Is there a like what LG? What actual brand is this? I might actually see if I can buy. I might see if I can get a charger, or maybe just get a new battery. But it says LG model VX 5400. All right, I'm gonna do some searches here. LG 5400 VX 5400. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there's a charger on eBay for $4. I love it. I love it. I'm getting it, folks. I'm doing it. I had the first. Oh, and then remember when the blackberries came out? Oh, the blackberries, man, that was legit. All right, we're doing this. I'm buying it right now. And this is a great way to distract me until this price action, until we get a pullback. I want to make sure it actually works for this brand. And we get, I want to see I want to see a little more of a pullback here. Anyway, this was my first cell phone. Okay, we got to see it. Oh, the Nokia. The Nokia that cannot be destroyed. Okay, I think I actually had that phone at one point as well. I remember I used to have that phone at one point, but I'm not sure when. I know I switched to that phone for a little bit. Can we get a pullback to at least to this opening? I might actually enter here. This is where we just got to be careful that we don't get this overextended. All right, we have officially ordered the charger. I'll let you guys know if I'm able to get it to turn on. Should be interesting. All right, we're finally getting this pullback. Brrr. Finally getting a pullback. Finally getting. Blackberries came out with then T-Mobile came out with their Sidekick horizontal flip-up phone with the QWERTY keyboard. Oh my, I remember I used to have that phone. It had the vertical, you flip up with a keyboard and you you could text like a maniac. I remember that phone. Oh man, that's crazy. Nothing could destroy a Nokia 5110, not even Chuck Norris. Yeah, facts, facts. All right, are we gonna do this? Man, I'm kind of scared, but I think we got to do this, right? We got to do this. Let's see. Now where do I put my stop? Probably need to have it like right here. Please, let's have a nice push higher now, please. This wakes me now. Come on, market. Really? Are we really gonna do this? Is it really just gonna slow grind lower now? Gotta be kidding me. Uh Look at this BS. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. It actually triggers me. Mm. Oh wow, look at that. We got all the professional traders now trying to. Oh, why would you long there? Shut up, you idiot. literally wicked me in by 1 tick, I think. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Let's see, this thing gonna just continue to pull back now? Watch this thing watch this move all the way back down. Would not be shocked. Crazy. That's what this kind of price action is what puts me on tilt. I mean, look at this. That's just crazy. Crazy, man. Actually insane. $100-point move lower, just like that. And we're still going lower. Unbelievable. Always set your bias in the high time frame. I mean, I went long. Are we not long biased? We're not long biased on that. I don't know what we would be. I don't know. What a crazy dump. Do I want to try it again? Yeah, tell me, Matty Matt. Elon and Trump cuddle session is over. Ah, I don't know what to expect now. I have no idea what this thing wants to do. Hmm. Thing really just gonna we're just gonna dump now. I guess. Wild. We have the 23,000 level right here. Got the VWAP here. I mean, oh, it's tempting. I mean, if we just dump here, I have no idea now what I want to look for. And there's still a good chance that this just bounces off of this opening range if this holds. Like if this area right here, the 980s hold, if it holds, I could see this just make a move right back up. But if it doesn't hold, I mean, look out. I don't know. Look out below, I guess. There it goes. 980s being tested. Being tested right here, down to the 970s now. I don't know. Think I gotta take out. We gotta look at. Hey, you know what's crazy? We haven't even triggered a short. A short signal here hasn't even been triggered. That's crazy. That's crazy to me. Ugh. And that actually frustrates. That actually upset me in that trade. Nothing I hate. I don't know. I mean, I guess I should have. Should have just been a little more. Had my buy stop order just maybe above the wick here. I don't know. I don't know. It's one of them things. We just got absolutely dumped on. That's all. And it's always been my. This is always where it's the worst. Whoops, I was muted. It's probably just as good that I was muted. Yeah, I'm out. That was just a revenge trade, and I am on a 1 to 10 scale factor of going on tilt. I'm at an 8. So it's time to lock it down. Time to lock it down. Can't do more damage than this. Yeah, definitely not my fault, John. Exactly. Thank you. Ugh. Go ahead, Mo. Go ahead, freelance trader. Keep telling me how to trade. Go ahead. Go ahead, Molan. Go ahead. Go ahead. Keep doing it. Go ahead. Tell me how I'm trading wrong. Go ahead. Let's see how it goes for you. Now I have literally nothing to trade. I locked myself out of everything. Which is just as good. I mean, that's why I do it, but man. Oh, it's so frustrating. Was there news? I don't think so. I don't know that there was any news. Did someone know that there was news? I didn't see anything. Has Apex ever denied you a payout? Yeah, I've been denied. When I broke the rules, I got denied. Just like everybody else. I think I've been denied 3 times. Do you want to talk on the phone? No, I don't. Watch this thing rip now. This is probably going to be the low of day. Watch. I have to charge my phone first. You know, I'm starting to sometimes I feel like being patient, you get punished. You get punished for being patient. Like right here, this rip higher, I kind of wanted to just jump in, but nope. Talk myself into being patient until we get a pullback, but then we just do the V-shaped reversals. Oh, that annoys me. Oh, that annoys me like so bad. Next time we're just buying. Next time we're going deep. We're going long, all in. The heck with it. Ugh. Yeah, I mean the 31,000 was definitely. I mean the other thing I guess we got to start looking at is when we're at these previous areas, just not wait for a pull. Don't buy the pullbacks. I guess we do have pretty decent support right here. I don't know why I'm even talking because I can't even trade if I wanted to. More letters are going out. Was there actually news like that? Excuse me. More letters are going out. Yeah, was that this morning or was that yesterday? Patience is overrated. I would tell my past girlfriends before I would get slapped. Yeah. But yeah, John, I do think I think it is important to like, okay, if we're at a previous really important level, then maybe I don't know, we just have to. I mean, the problem is with that theory is I can go back and show multiple times when we've hit resistance, we've done a nice pullback, and then we break up through the resistance. So I think it's just one of them things. I mean, it's one of them things where you just got to take your L's. You got to take your losses. This kind of price action, I always take a loss. It's terrible for me. And the key is, I think, to not have blow ups on these. As long as I don't have blow ups when this happens, I'm okay. I'm okay if we don't blow up, which we didn't blow up. That's the important part. Just a red day, but so annoying. It's so annoyed. Ugh, just so annoyed. Your stream is lagging? My stream shows everything good. They're all. It should be fine. And that's all it is. Try to figure the market personality for the day. And if you're wrong, cut losses. Yeah, I agree. I mean, that's the key. I mean, in prior year or in past me, I would have started averaging in, and I would have DCA'd, and about here I would have blown the accounts. So I don't know. I mean, I don't know that. I mean, it's so easy to hindsight everything, so I hate doing that. I really don't think there was that much that I did. I mean, this last trade I took was just pure revenge trading. I mean, I'll raise my hand on that one. That was a bad trade. That first trade, I don't know. I'm not really that upset about it. It is what it is. We just got wrecked. Hey, Tyler in the house. By the way, Tyler, what is up with you getting a care package from Apex? I haven't even gotten a care package. You must have. I don't know, man. That's impressive. I love it. They love you. That's why. I mean, they do. They must really love you. I've never received a care package. I'm about to reach out to some Apex. I'm going to call John. I'm going to call John and be like, John, what is going on here? Only their favorites. Yeah, I probably don't fit that category, unfortunately. But hey, that looked pretty sweet. That's awesome. I love to see it. Me and John are pretty close though. Me and John are me and John are back we're back to speaking terms. John's doing just fine. John. Do you trade on Quant VPS instead of my computer? No. M. Susan, you think someone leaked the Fed minutes? I don't know what got leaked, but it was, I mean, I just don't get it. Like, I don't understand how you have a move like this and then just a complete reversal without any news. Just, I mean, I get it, but I don't get it. I get it, but it doesn't make sense. The Fed minutes are today. Yes, at 2 o'clock. Jenna, we don't need you in that deep with Apex. Hey, I'll take a care package, but we got limits. Sounds more like a colonoscopy bag got leaked. Oh, yeah. It is what it is. We got wrecked today. We got wrecked. We take it to the chin, man. People FOMO long and the smart money took it to them and now making them pay. Maybe. Yeah, Daniel Rosenstein. I do agree. We just basically hit resistance and everybody sold. That's, I guess, the only thing that makes sense. Hey, Timbo. How we doing, Timbo? Yeah, just give it a couple minutes. I'm sure we'll get new highs. Hey, we got our first short signal right here. You're a little bit late, sir. That is kind of crazy, though. Oh. On VPS, can someone in live? I don't know, Saral. I don't have any idea what. Yeah. We just need a smaller pullback to the 16,000s. Man, that's crazy. Look at the daily chart. And if we turn red here, that's a pretty crazy handle there on the daily chart. If we end up closing red today, that's wild. See, now I have an itch. I got the itch. I've got a major itch to buy some evals. Oh. But I said I'm not going to do it all month. I'm not sure I'm going to make that. I'm not sure that's actually going to happen. That's just an unbelievable move here in the morning. And we continue lower. Oh, man. Use MFF, get the 50%. That's so That was the accounts that I was my fund of future. See, I want them to announce the 5 accounts. I want to see the 5 accounts actually. Ugh, man, I'm so frustrated. I know I shouldn't. I shouldn't even be trading. I know it. My mental capacity is spent. I mean, look at this. We're all the way down to the 940s. It's insane. Pre-market lows down at the 840s. We are heading in that direction. Major Green, you're requesting payouts? Let's go, Timbo. Let's go. Nicely done. If the large amount of overnight longs do not bail out, then they could support this somewhere over the overnight lows. Yeah. Yep. I need to go punch a pillow. Look at this thing just continue the dump. What do I do? The only thing I have left to trade, which I kind of said I wasn't going to trade this. Only thing left to trade is my live account, but I'm not sure. I'm a little bit down on that account too. Not sure I want to do it. Ah, yes, RX. This is one of those days where I know if I don't walk away, I'm going to trade this. This is where playing golf actually saves me money. There's a pillow fighting league on ESPN. And it was dudes. I'm sure you were disappointed, John. Do I want to do it? I'm not angry. I'm just disappointed. Same. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. Oh, the power slapping? Oh, that I would never do that in a million years. Oh. You're going to try a long JY? Hey, I don't hate it. I don't hate a long here, of course. I'm biased. Oh, if I could undo my block, if I could undo my lock button on my Apex accounts, I think I would do it right here and take a long. Let's see what would happen. I disconnected my Apex accounts by accident. I traded bigger time frames back then. Oh, sorry. News from 9 a.m. NVIDIA becomes the first $4 trillion publicly traded company on Wednesday. That's crazy. $4 trillion. Jeez. All right, let's see. Is this going to keep going lower? It kind of looks like it. Someone tell me to stop trading. Stop trading, Matty Matt. Stop it. Stop it. Do it like I did. Just stop. It hurts. Right now, it hurts to stop trading. I'm dead serious. There is nothing more that I want to do than to keep trading these Apex accounts and somehow bring them back to green. There is nothing I would do. I want to do it so bad. Ugh. But look at this. Remember, I said I would go long right here if I didn't have my Apex accounts locked out. And I would be about to get stopped out again. And then the gloves would be off. We would be full tilt session. And once we reach full tilt session, there are only two outcomes. Only two. That's it. Only way you get out of that in a full tilt session is either you get back to green or you blow your accounts. Those are the two results. And in my experience, not worth it. That's why I locked out. Why we locked ourselves out for the day. As hard and painful as it is, because I believe with all of my heart that I could trade this back to green today, but there's a small chance that it would go bad and then we end up having a tilt session. You know what? I just realized. Are we at our anniversary? I did not even hang on, guys. We might have this might be a very epic. Would you look at that? Look, guys. This is PA account number 223, which is this account right here. We activated that we turned that into a funded account July 6th of 2024 right here. These 5 accounts, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, they are officially 1 year old. 1 year old. Let's go. Happy anniversary to my accounts. Sorry that I mistreated you on this fine day. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. That's crazy, though. I never, ever thought I would be able to hold a funded account for over a year. That's crazy. It's been a rough birthday. Yeah, it has. It's unfortunate. Yeah, Tyler, tell me about it. I was trying to not chase, so I didn't go in, waited for a pullback, finally got it, and then it dumped on me. That's how my day's going. Great. Actually, how many traded days do we have on those accounts? Let's see. How many trading days how many trading days are there in a year? Like 240 something? We have 170, basically 170 trading days on these 5 accounts. I really, 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 really want to get another payout on those. We gotta turn around our trading here. I'm mine. 250? Okay, so 250 days. So I have 170 days traded. So that means 30, about 80 days that I didn't trade, which that makes sense. That makes sense. Oh man, I just wish it was I wish I had a $500 green day to celebrate this instead of a red day. You know what? It is what it is. We'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow is a new day. And we can make that $500 back. I'm sure of it. Famous last words. We saw those just sit there for a few weeks. Yep. These accounts have definitely been on some vacations too. We've not been working them too hard. Captain Crunch, join the gang. Join the crowd, man. I can't make sense of this either. Now we're just kind of, now the market just stopped moving completely. It's trying to trickle lower, but not a whole lot is happening here. Oh, man. I might actually have to walk away. I'm about to. You know what? Hang on. We might we might as well trade. How can I do this? Let me think. Let me think. I need to hide my account. Does someone know? Like, I honestly don't know this. Like, because my live account is on my Ninja Trader. Like, it's a Trade-Of-8 or a Ninja Trader live account. And I've seen a couple of different people mention that you have to be very careful to not show your account number. Is that true? Like, does that actually make that actually a problem? I definitely don't want to I don't want to get hacked. Yeah, that's true too, John. That's wise. That's a word from that's wisdom. How could I do this? Wisdom I have a hard time following. That's true. I same. Hmm. I have to make money. I tell everyone I'm great at giving advice, but I suck at following my own advice. Isn't that so true? That is so true. I am the same way. I'm the same way. It's so easy to tell people what to do, but it sure is difficult to do it yourself. Do as I say, not as I do. Exactly, Tyler. It's so easy to tell people, hey, you got to be willing to accept your losses. You know, it's so easy to say that. So easy to tell people, follow your rules. But we all know it's a whole different ballgame to actually do it. Actually, kind of the same way as telling people to follow Apex's rules. You know, just follow the rules. And it's true, but it's also sometimes difficult to do. Sometimes you break those rules, and then you pay the price. And you told everyone you were done trading for the day, and then you took one more trade. You degen. But then you made money. Some people are just built different. Some people are just built different. I always ask, what would I do if I wasn't mentally retarded? Oh, that's crazy. What would Joom do? Isn't it crazy that Joom, we still haven't heard from Joom. I mean, Joom literally said, I am out, and he was out. To think back to all the videos that he made and all the big talking he did, that guy just absolutely disappeared. Man, it's crazy. I hope he's okay, though. I hope he's fine. The more I think about it, the more I'm thinking that it is actually a bad idea to trade my live account. But you know what? If there is a silver lining, with my lack of good trading recently, for some reason I've actually been trading very well on my live account. Now, I should probably not say that too loud. We all know that it'll jinx it. But, well, I need to change this. That right here, this is directly imported from NinjaTrader. This is my live trading results. The last one, I mean, I started here. Not too bad. Not too shabby. So if there's a silver lining here, that's probably it. But I'm currently down 400 on the day, and I should probably just not try to make it back. You know, one thing that NinjaTrader needs, that I wish NinjaTrader had a lockout feature. If there was one request I would have, it would be they need to have a lockout feature where you can go in. Like I have my daily loss limit set to 1200, so I can't lose more than 1200, which is fine, but I wish they would have a feature where you can just lock yourself out at any point in the day. Like, go in, hey, I'm done for the day, lock myself out. But I don't think, unless, I mean, does someone know? Maybe I'm just not aware of it, but I don't think they have like just a lockout feature. It's called change your password. I need a lockout feature from life. Design up. They don't have that. You could go into Rhythmic and change the trade times allowed. No, this is Trade of 8. I mean, this is NinjaTrader, which is Trade of 8. So, wow, look at this pump. Man, I'm glad I locked myself out, because I would have gone long right here, and I probably would have gotten stopped out right here. And now it would be going higher. I'd be so mad right now. I'd be so mad. Oh, I'd be so mad. Yeah, I don't think they have that option. go anyway. You could just manually lock yourself. Oh, set daily loss limit to $1 and you're locked out. Ah, okay, I could do that. I could do that, Mr. Wall Street. But yeah, then I would just have to make sure I change that at between 5 and 6 o'clock tonight to update it again. True. I could do that. Carolina. I'm at that point. We're getting close. We're getting close. Oh, look at this. It's gonna go higher now. No. Ugh. I really need to walk away, guys. I really need to. I actually need to. I actually need to walk away. I need to go play golf. I need to go play golf. I need to go do something. Just go green or blow the accounts like I do. Where are those Tradeify accounts? Dilson's Trader. That's rude. That's like asking a woman how much she weighs. When the accounts are not there, don't ask what happened to him. It's rude. We all know what happened to him. No need to rub it in. It's too soon. Too soon. No, but for real, we blew them. We blew them 2 days ago. J Dunn traded the. Yes, it was J Dunn's fault. It was J Dunn's fault. Dilson's Trader, you're fine. Too funny. I was not on stream. Yeah, you're fine, Dilson. I was just kidding. But yeah, I blew him. You hate to see it. That's why I'm currently in timeout. I put myself in timeout from buying any evals or straight to funded accounts. Basically, my credit card is frozen until I'm going to make an exception to the rule. Yesterday I said it's frozen until end of the month, but I'm going to change that. My credit card is locked and frozen until I get another payout. Okay? So if I get another payout, I can buy more accounts. But until then, not going to happen. We're in timeout. Yeah, bad Nutty. That's right. Bad Nutty. Go sit in the corner. That's what this chair is for. By the way, have you guys ever had a clapper? A light like that turns on when you clap? Watch this, guys. This is 2025 technology. You see that? You guys see that? Watch. You like that, don't you? Yep, we got a clapper. Clapper activated. Clappers are OP. Got to be the right sound and the right timing. Didn't get it right. Oh, baby, that was nice. It's the 2 clapper. The double clapper, man. It's awesome. My wife gets so annoyed with this clapper. I keep showing it off to her. I'm like, watch, honey. She's like, that's so overrated. It's underrated, actually. The sign that you're rich once you can afford a clapper. We've made it. Chat, we made it. Did you get that from your great-great-great-grandmother? What are you talking about? This is new technology. It is new technology right here. Why did I see you at the pawn shop selling objects to fund your evals? Oh man, that might have crossed my mind a couple times. See, I'm on a budget. You guys don't. This is me and my wife. This is when I agreed to this budget as well, but all my expenses I cover through like one source of income. Like my affiliate, like one of my or a couple of my affiliate incomes. That's the only income I get and allow myself to use to fund, and that's it. Like a side income that I can't do anymore. Once the funds are out, it means I'm spending too much. It's rough life over here. Any opinion on my funded futures? I mean, I love my funded futures. I wish I had a funded account still. But here I am, brokenhearted. The clapper. You gotta love it. I knew you guys would appreciate a good clapper. I knew it. Look at this thing go. I'm so annoyed. I really need to get away from this screen. Ugh. Oh, wait. My funded futures network? Oh, I don't know about that, Jonathan. I don't know about that. Shameless. I need the fish that hangs on the wall and sings. I remember that. The bass fish that does the flopping. I don't even remember the sounds, but I know it's annoying. Okay, all right, guys, seriously. Let's just walk away. I'm going to shut her down. We're going to shut it down. Any opinion on Tradeify evals? JY, once I get another payout, I will be back on that Tradeify evals. I'm going to get the evals. I'm not doing the straight to fund it again. Too expensive for me. Liar, you know I'm trading off stream. Nope, I'm not doing. I'm literally going golfing. I am literally going to go golf. I promise. I promise. JY. Hey, I was wondering. I don't want to leave though. I want to trade. I'm actually annoyed. I'm actually so annoyed. Do you ever want to just do a redo? I just want a redo this morning. Can we just go back in time? Let's have a redo session. I want to have FOMO and chase the opening trade, and then I just want to do things differently. Is that too much to ask? Maybe Rhythmic's going to have some outages. Wink, wink. Maybe Rhythmic is experiencing some outages currently, and feel like Apex might need to do a reset day. Wink, wink. That's how life works. We just redo. Okay, I'm out. I'm gonna leave, fellas. I'm out. I'm actually gonna leave. I'm gonna go play golf. We're gonna come back tomorrow, and everything's gonna be fine. You know what I hope happens? Here's what I hope happens. I hope we go higher, and then we just do this seesawing up and down move the rest of the day, so I don't feel bad. I don't want to have FOMO. Cheddar. Not gonna happen, Peter. Not doing it. All right, everybody. I'm out, actually. I hope you guys had a better day than I did. My trading has been absolute trash the last even month. So I'm sorry. I'm trying. I'm trying, but it's been rough, man. Thanks for hanging in there. We'll be back. We'll be back, I promise. All right, everybody, take care. Have a great rest of your day, and God bless.